Hello everyone and welcome to the offer creation video. ठीक है, it's gonna be an in-depth offer creation video and it's gonna cover an offer that they can't refuse. ऐसी offer हम client के लिए बनाएंगे जो कि वो देखते ही तुम्हारे offer देने से पहले तुम्हें हाँ कर दे. ठीक है, I'm just kidding, but what I'm saying is I'm gonna teach you a way and method in depth, right, of how you can create the best offer. Now, why am I making this video? Because the last video I made on client acquisition, it was a 1 hour 45-minute video that did great and so many people loved it. And a lot of people were like, उस पे ना ऑफर की लोगों ने बात की थी कि ऑफर पे हमें इन डेप्थ वीडियो चाहिए. ठीक है, ऑफर 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 everybody was saying. So I was like, why not I deliver, right? And if you're new to this video, my name is Musa Khan and I'm an entrepreneur who works in a service-based and consulting-based business, right? I was a closer and a salesperson for metal fabrication companies, right? And these are the screenshots of some of the deals that I've closed, right? I also scale other content creators for their communities. And another thing I have going on is my own private community, Inner Circle 2.0, where we teach 9-to-5ers, job workers or freelancers how to land premium clients that pay you from $3,000 to $10,000 per month. And it's all a process, right? So apni community ke andar I have gone in a lot of detail and I'm adding more modules towards it for the offer. And here are some of my students' results of closing high paying premium clients. And I'm just showing that so you can believe me as an authority when talking about this subject. ठीक है? So, you know, without further ado, let's go on to it. मैं हर वीडियो में अपने आप को explain कर रहा होता हूँ and मैं इसलिए कर रहा हूँ because this is a new channel and eventually I might not have to explain myself कि why I'm an authority speaking on this, but it's good though, right? Because if you're watching such a long video, you want to know that you're, you know, listening to the right person. So without further ado, let's dive into this. One thing before I will tell you कि आप एक दफा जाके वो client acquisition वाली वीडियो देख लो या उससे पिछली वीडियो जहाँ पे मैंने आपको proper बताया था how you gonna close the premium client, उसपे मैंने niche selection पे थोड़ी डिटेल में बात की थी. Although niche selection पे अगर आप चाहते हैं मैं अगली वीडियोस के अंदर डिटेल में बता दूंगा. But one thing I want to say, please, before you create an offer, you need to pin down the niche that you're creating your offer for. मतलब कौन सी market के लिए तुम offer create कर रहे हो. That's very important. Like if you don't do that, then your offer is gonna be trash, right? Because if you're making offer for everyone, nobody's gonna take it. It has to be for a certain group of people. Understand this, right? तो तुम कौन सी market के अंदर हो? क्या तुम food industry के अंदर हो, automotive industry के अंदर हो, healthcare industry के अंदर हो, क्या तुम education industry के अंदर हो? You know, are you in the cyber security industry? Are you in the plumbing, HVAC? It could be any service based industry, right? But it has to be one industry and उस industry के अंदर भी सब niches होती हैं. ठीक है? So like you cannot say I help restaurants scale, right? You cannot say that. You have to be specific, like what type of restaurants do you help, right? What type of cafes do you scale? What type of car dealerships do you help scale, right? What type of HVAC companies do you help? So it has to be a specific niche and you have to lock that down before you even create an offer. I just wanted to get that out of the way. Now let's work an offer because a lot of people who are watching this video probably is struggling reaching out clients. वो कहते हैं client acquisition तो कर लेते हैं लेकिन उनको हमारी offer पसंद नहीं आती. Now I have broken this down into 7-step series. It's gonna be in-depth video. Please, for the love of God, watch this video till the end. Watch, like if you have to come back, pause and come back to this video, come back to this video, but you have to watch it over and over again to truly understand and refine your offer. Now let me just quickly go over what we're gonna talk about, right? So we're gonna talk about first is the pillars of offer, right? This is very important. Basically, we have to go to the philosophy of what makes an offer good. Then I'm gonna be explaining you what an offer really is. उसमें composition में मैं बात करूंगा कि किस तरह तुम अपनी offer build करोगे, किस composition में an offer की messaging क्या होगी. That's very important, right? The short form, the long form messaging. Then the offer creation mistakes or your offer mistakes. Again, something that you need to look out for to avoid. Then the offer pricing, a big one for a lot of people. They don't know how to price their offers and what type of offer you can make for them. Then offer creation worksheet. I'm gonna give you like type of a worksheet that you can make and then you can you know, fill out those questions of what type of people you're serving, तुम्हारे guarantees क्या हैं वगैरह वगैरह, and what are you gonna give them, like what is the problem, what solution you're giving them. Then I'm gonna give you a sample offer for inspiration, right? The kind of offer I make or my students make. Then the 7th step would be doubling down or more on risk reversal, which is the guarantee, because guarantees are the absolute beast, right? If you give a client or a prospect a solid guarantee, that does like 40% of the work. Trust me when I tell you that. Okay? Now I'm gonna tell you a guarantee without a testimony, or if you have a testimony, what kind of guarantee you can give. Then another thing that is very like important, which is the bonus. Okay? The bonus मैं आपको बताऊंगा how you're gonna position for premium, how you're gonna do the upsell or the downsell, or how you're gonna, there's this one method called the decoy offer, and how you're gonna use this tactic to land a premium client, right? So again, सारी चीजें आपने step by step देखनी है. ठीक है, मैं इस YouTube वीडियो को mark down भी कर दूंगा with each section, right? So there are 7 sections and then there's a bonus item at the end. So without further ado, and for reference, I might look at my phone or my notes because obviously, you know, I'm explaining to you on a board, but sometimes it gets complicated and I have to remember stuff, right? So let's talk about first the pillars of offer, how many pillars of offer there are, and how to understand them better to create a solid offer, or at least set the foundation for it, right? So usually there are 6 pillars of offer that you really have to understand, starting with number 1, which is the drive, right? And this is going to be the drive of your prospect or your client, ठीक है? The second thing will be goal, क्या goal है तुम्हारे prospect का, ठीक है? Third will be problem, तुम्हारे prospect की problem क्या है, ठीक है? Fourth will be the pain caused by that problem. The fifth will be action, ठीक है? And the sixth will be the confidence that you're gonna bring, ठीक है? So, you know, all of these are very, very important, but the thing that's really gonna convert your offer is really the most important thing is you understand their problem and how significant the pain is and the confidence you're gonna bring, ठीक है? Action is something that you're gonna inspire your prospect to, you know, bring, but the confidence is what you bring, problem is what you identify, pain is what you discover, ठीक है? So very, very important, but drive and goal समझना भी बहुत जरूरी है तुम्हारे client avatar के लिए, right? So let's go one by one on each of them so you really understand what I'm talking about, right? So drive जो है ना, that is the subconscious thing your prospect feels, right? हमारी सबकी life की एक drive होती है, right? It could be a drive for living a rich life, right? It could be a drive for building a family. It could be a sexual drive. It could be like, basically is the core and the root reason, right? Like the drive that they're feeling to escape something, ठीक है? So you have to understand, like that's why I told you that niche is very important. Like you have to identify the niche, the group of people that you're trying to help, because that's gonna make it very easier for you to find a drive. Most of the people will ना premium client नहीं land कर पाते या फिर fail हो जाते हैं client acquisition में because they are targeting everyone under the sun, right? मतलब कहते हैं हम एक marketing agency हैं. Like किसके लिए हो तो marketing agency, right? Every industry has a different type of marketing. Sure, they might run ads, right? They might create really good offers, really good lead gen systems, but at the end of the day, each client has a different drive, right? Each client has a different, you know, factors towards their marketing. So you have to be specific for what kind of marketing you're working for. But this is just an example, right? Or you cannot just say I'm a coach. You are a coach of what? It has to be a coach of something, right? So आपने idea सुना होगा ना, riches are in the niches. So again, you have to identify your proper niche, right? Or your niche. Now let's go back to that niche की बात तो नहीं, अब हम यहाँ पे offer की बात कर रहे हैं. So yeah, you have to understand the unconscious force of your client's avatar. क्या उनकी drive होती है usually, ठीक है? The second thing is that I talked about was the goal. अब तुम्हारे client का long term goal क्या है, ठीक है? Goal उनका हो सकता है to get more foot in the door, to get more clients, to get more customers, to make $30,000 per month revenue, consistent revenue, right? What is their goal? You have to identify a certain goal that your niche or your client avatar has, right? तीसरी चीज होगी, which is the important one, is the problem to reach that goal, right? Now let me connect the first two, right? Drive थी उनकी, ठीक है? And उस drive को पाने के लिए they have a certain set of goals, right? ठीक है? Now उस goal को reach करने के लिए they have a problem. They don't know how to do it, or even if they're trying, right? It's not clearly working, or if they have any constant problem going on, they can't find ways to figure out how to solve that problem, right? और जब वो problem उन्हें cause होती है, that amplifies their pain, right? Then when pain happens, ठीक है? Whenever pain is caused, people take action to reduce that pain, right? अगर तुम गरम चूल्हे पे अपना हाथ रखोगे, pain होगी, और जैसी pain का signal आती है, you take an action to remove your hand right away, right? That's the action. And then confidence, right? Now confidence is something that you are going to bring your client to take that action. So I'll explain and connect you with this one example, right? So for example, तुम्हारी life में drive है कि people have more respect for you. So subconscious drive, you want respect, right? Now तुम्हें लगता है ये तुम्हारी you want respect, ठीक है? Now to get that respect, your goal is, okay, I'm gonna make a lot of money, or I'm gonna maybe drive a Lamborghini, right? मुझे Lamborghini चाहिए, ठीक है? मुझे बहुत बड़ा घर चाहिए, लेकिन उसको पाने के लिए you need to work, right? You need to work hard. Probably you need to start, you know, doing a job. You make enough money from the job. You invest in a business, right? You scale that business, and for you to reach that goal, it's gonna be hard, right? right? So that's gonna cause you problem. That's the problem. Now, when that problem is arising, right, you are feeling pain because of that problem, right? तुम्हें pain feel हो रही है कि यार, it's a painful process, right? Whenever you face problems, it becomes a pain. And then, because you're feeling that pain, ठीक है, you're gonna start taking action, right? Problem आई एक stuck हो गए, इसमें तुम pain feel कर रहे हो, you're gonna take action. And your action or your small compound effects, right, like your progress is gonna give you confidence, keep going towards that action. Does it all make sense, right? So तुमने client को भी इसी तरह दिमाग में सोचना है. A lot of people, you know, they like, even जब मेरी community में भी आते हैं, I make their mind clear of like, client is not a toy. Client is not an object that you're trying to achieve, right? Client कोई Pokemon नहीं है जिसपे तुम Pokeball फेंकोगे, ठीक है, और वो टू करके आ जाएगा तुम्हारे पास. Client is a human like you and me who have certain goals, certain desires that they want to fulfill. They go through their daily set of problems, their daily set of pains, right? And they're taking certain actions to solve that problem. तो अपने client को तुमने उस तरह अपने दिमाग में लेके चलना है कि यार इस niche के अंदर certain group of people, what are their drive? What's their goal, right? And then what is the problem जो इनको होती है on the daily basis, and how much is the pain of that problem? Very, very important. The more the pain, the more likely they're gonna take action, right? जितनी ज्यादा पेन होती है, जैसे मैंने स्टोव पे कहा कि गर्म चूल्हे पे हाथ रखोगे तो पेन कितनी ज्यादा होती है, इसलिए तो आप फौरन हटाते हो ना. So yeah, the higher the pain, the more likely they're gonna take action, right? So that's why I say even in my past videos के जब आप कोई niche select कर रहे होते ना, या when you're targeting a group of people, you have to make sure that the pain point is big enough for them to pay you a premium price. So the higher the pain, the more you can charge them, right? The more value your solution gives them, right? So yeah, the action, right? And then yeah, the confidence. Confidence is something you're gonna give your client through your offer, ठीक है? Confidence उसके अंदर नहीं है. Confidence तुमने डालना है अपनी ऑफर से, और इतना confidence डालना है, तुमने उनको बेफिक्र कर देना कि यार तुम इस चीज से अपना हाथ हटा लो, इस चीज के बारे में भूल जाओ. I'm gonna bring you the clients, I'm gonna bring you the leads, I'm gonna qualify the clients for you or close the clients for you or handle your client relationship or CRM systems, right? The booking systems, the calendar systems. I'm gonna do all of that, you know, run your ads, qualify people through your ads. You just need to focus on fulfillment, and I promise you with the confidence that in 6 months, you know, I'm gonna bring you a consistent flow of $20,000 or add to your business a consistent flow of $20,000 per month. That's the iron confidence you're gonna give them. And how you're gonna double down furthermore on that confidence is through your guarantee, जिसकी अभी हम आगे बात करते हैं. So you understand what I'm saying? So this is the pillars of offer that you need to understand, the 6 pillars that are very important. Now moving on to the next one, because ये सिर्फ एक basic understanding है जो आपको होनी चाहिए before you go on. And one more thing guys, please make notes of each and everything that I'm talking about. अगर आप notes नहीं बनाओगे ना, then it's really gonna be hard for you to reflect on this thing अभी, because जो मैं आपको चीज बता रहा हूँ ना, उसकी memory आपके दिमाग में fresh है, लेकिन with time it's gonna fade away, the memory is gonna fade away, and more than less likely you're gonna take action on it, right? So make the damn notes and keep coming back to this video if need be, right? One more thing I'm gonna tell you in this is एक composition याद कर लेना, which is very, very important for you to know. Let's talk in numbers, right? When will actually client take an action on your offer, or when is that कि more than likely a client will take your offer? is एक छोटी सी equation है, right? The percentage of action. तो basically ये equation कहती है कि जितना ज्यादा पेन होगा ना, client की pain point ज्यादा होगा, और जितना ज्यादा तुम confidence लाओगे अपने client की और अपनी offer में, उतना ज्यादा chance है कि client उस चीज पे action लेगा. So basically the percentage of action is percentage of pain plus percentage of confidence divided by 2. So basically the chance of them taking an action on your offer is the average of the pain and the average of your confidence. Now why do I say that? ठीक है? Now how am I making this equation, right? Let's say अगर उनकी pain है 40%, you know, it's not that, but your confidence is let's say 80, right? इन दोनों को तुम add करो, क्या बनता है? 120, you divide that by 2, it's gonna be 60%, they're gonna take action on it. Now when is your offer gonna be good, right? If it's more than at least 75%. अगर उनकी action की threshold more than 75% of that means your offer is great. Now obviously there's no way to measure that, but I'm just putting this in your mind कि तुम्हारा focus उनके pain point पे रहे, उनकी confidence पे रहे, right? So basically if I make a table on this, right? I know थोड़ा mathematical हो रहा है, but it's important to understand, right? ये दो graphs हैं, ठीक है? So what we're talking about, we're saying that action is directly proportional to the pain. जितनी ज्यादा पेन होगी उतना ज्यादा likely chance है कि वो एक्शन लेंगे. जिस तरह y is equal to x का ग्राफ नहीं होता, so basically x होता है इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल और y होता है डिपेंडेंट. दैट मींस कि पेन है आपकी x और आपका जो एक्शन है वो y है. ठीक है, तो जितनी ज्यादा पेन होगी उतना ज्यादा एक्शन होगा. ठीक है, नाउ सिमिलरली द सेम गोज फॉर योर कॉन्फिडेंस. ठीक है, व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय दैट? जितना ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस आप लाओगे अपनी ऑफर में उतना ज्यादा क्लाइंट इज विलिंग टू टेक एक्शन ऑन योर ऑफर. राइट नाउ ये जो मैंने इक्वेशन बनाई थी ना, वो किस तरह बनाई थी? लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. यू नो, आई वाज रियली गुड एट मैथ, सो आई एम सॉरी अबाउट दैट, बट एनीवेज, राइट? सो लेट्स टेक दिस इक्वेशन. राइट, दिस इज अ y is equal to x graph, this is a y is equal to x graph as well in a way. Right, यहां पर x क्या है? कॉन्फिडेंस. यहां पे x क्या है? पेन. So what are we doing? We add both of these equations together, right? Let's do the z. Okay, so y plus y is equal to x plus z, right? What is y plus y? Y plus y is 2y, and then your x was what? Pain, and then your z was confidence, right? Now since the y was action, right, you divide both sides by 2 and then ye divided by 2 ho jayegi. This is how this equation came to be. But I know this is getting complicated, but understand this: the higher the pain point of your client and the higher the confidence you're gonna bring, more than likely chance they're gonna take your offer. Okay, now let's go to point number 2. Boys and girls, मुझे थोड़ी सी break लेनी पड़ी. I don't know, I was just having like random breathing problems. That's why I had the nasal strip on. But I'm continuing this video on the next day, and now we're on second part. ठीक है, and also I have my notes written down too. तो मैंने अपनी ये जो journal है हाथ में पकड़ा होगा. I hope you don't mind that. ठीक है, मैं basically ना अपने note jot down भी कर लेता हूँ अक्सर ना, ताकि it's very easy for me and clear for me to explain you things, right? You know, sometimes I do that. So we were at part 2. ठीक है, तो हमने बात कर ली थी कि pillars of offer पे, which is very important. ठीक है, वहाँ से हमारी basis basically set हो जाती है of the pain, right? We talked about the drive, the goal, the problem, the pain, the action and confidence. Very important. Now we are on part 2, which is explaining offers, right? पहले तो हम इसमें offer messaging की बात करते हैं. ठीक है, what kind of messaging your offer should have, and then the second part we're going to talk about offer की आपने composition किस तरह सेट करनी है. ठीक है, and I'm going to give you an example in both of the scenarios. तो पहले बात करते हैं हम ऑफर मैसेजिंग की. What should be the messaging of your offer and how precise it should be? Like, let's just go into a little bit depth. Now मैं आपको देता हूँ 2 scenarios. ठीक है, there is offer 1 which just says I sell a course that helps people get clients. ठीक है, simple offer liner. Second would be I sell an easily installed acquisition infrastructure pre-built for you by experts. Now in one glance you can tell which offer looks better, right? Like आप बता सकते हो, somebody saying I sell a course that helps people get clients. While it is simplistic, it just sounds so basic and so bland, like you've heard that shit so many times before. But when you listen to this, I sell an easily installed acquisition infrastructure pre-built for you by experts, you're like, okay, damn, I don't know what his offer is or what's inside the offer, but I know he looks like he knows his shit or she knows his shit. Lekin, why do you guys prefer this offer? Why? Let's go to the source, right? Now मैं हमेशा सोर्स पे बात करता हूँ, right? Like why does that offer look enticing than the first offer, right? They're both fundamentally doing the same things, right? मतलब एक ही चीज दोनों में सिखाई जा रही है, but क्यों दूसरी वाली? Because the first offer is saturated, not what is done in the offer. ठीक है, the offer itself, the way it's presented, right? हर बंदा आपने time and time again ये चीजें देखी हैं. I sell a course or I sell acquisition system that helps client. Like you have seen the basic liners, and you know, in one of my videos, right, how to get 10k clients वाली, वहां पे मैंने बात की थी कि आपकी जो नीश होती है ना, it rarely ever gets saturated, right? मैं क्या कहता हूं? The thing that actually gets saturated is the way you present your offer and the way you reach out clients, right? The way you reach out clients. So this is the thing that gets saturated, the way you reach out your clients and your offer. ठीक है, the way you pitch or put out your offer. So this is very, very important that you know that the positioning of the offer is very, very important, right? How does your offer, even though it might be serving the same purpose, how does it stand out in the crowd? Now, one thing I want to make it clear before we move on ahead is, आपको क्या लगता है कि offer होती क्या है? If I ask you, right, मैं तुम्हें पूछता हूँ one by one, right? मेरे पास काश अभी क्लास होती है यहाँ पे पढ़नी है. But what do you think is an offer? Is your product your offer? No, it's not, right? Is your service your offer? Nope. ठीक है, I'm just gonna put these lines for no. ठीक है. Is your guarantee your offer? No. Is your discount your offer? Nope. ठीक है. Is your price your offer? Still no, right? And I know many of you like कहोगे ये वो फलाना, ठीक है. The only correct answer is the result, but not only the result. Your offer is the result of the result of the result of the result. So let's go back to our first part, right? जहाँ पे मैंने आपको क्या कहा था? मैंने आपको कहा था 6 pillars होते हैं of offer, right? So for example, if you are giving service to a client by running meta ads, you're not gonna say I run meta ads for you. You think clients give a fuck about that? Like deep rooted down, if you really think about it, no. What do the clients want? They want money, right? पैसा चाहिए उन्हें. क्यों पैसा चाहिए उन्हें? ताकि स्केल कर सके बिजनेस को, right? स्केल कर सके, अपने एंजॉयमेंट के लिए चीजें बाय कर सके. क्यों? Because they want respect. Why do they want respect? Because they think that they will find fulfillment there. ठीक है? So you can go on and on and on, right? So what is your offer now if I ask you, right? Your offer is the result of the result of the result of the result of the result. That is your offer. You know, that's how deep your offer gets. Now I don't want to confuse you. मैं तुम लोगों को पागल नहीं करना चाह रहा. This is just something that you have to keep in the back of your mind, and it's like second nature, right? जब आप अपनी ऑफर क्रिएट कर रहे होगे, आप कहीं पे स्टक होगे, whenever you come and look back to this thing, it's gonna become easier for you. Trust me, you like it's आपके दिमाग में चीज इनबिल्ट हो जाएगी, and it will make you a pro when creating the offer. And again, आहिस्ते आहिस्ते चीजें समझ आएंगी, ठीक है? तो एंड तक वीडियो देखो, ये सारी चीजें क्लियर होंगी एट द एंड कि मैं क्या क्या बातें कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? सो जिस तरह मैंने पहला पिलर कनेक्ट किया ना आपकी ऑफर से, इसी तरह मैं आगे कनेक्ट करता जाऊंगा. ऑफर मैसेजिंग की हमने बात कर ली. I'll expand this a little bit, but I want to first talk about your offer composition, right? Now, what the hell is offer composition? The way your offer is comprised of different parts, right? So first part क्या आपकी ऑफर का? Obviously, it's the outcome, right? क्या outcome आप promise कर रहे हो अपने client को by the end of your service? The second one is time. ठीक है? कितने टाइम में आप अपनी ऑफर या सर्विस कंप्लीट करोगे, राइट? द थर्ड वन इज मेथड. व्हाट डूएबल मेथडोलॉजी आर यू यूजिंग, राइट? मेथडोलॉजी, ठीक है? उसके बाद सीक्रेट. हाउ डज योर ऑफर सेट यू अपार्ट फ्रॉम द पीपल दैट माइट बी डूइंग द सेम थिंग, राइट? उसके बाद आ जाता है सेफ्टी नेट, राइट? आपकी गारंटी या आपका रिस्क रिवर्सल जिसको मैं कहूंगा, ठीक है? उसके बाद आ जाता है पोलराइजिंग. व्हाट पीपल आर यू एक्सक्लूडिंग फ्रॉम द ऑफर व्हेन यू रीच आउट टू योर क्लाइंट, राइट? What kind of people are you not selling your offer to? ये किसके लिए नहीं है, right? नीश वाली बात आ गई ना. And then pricing, ठीक है? What price are you gonna give your client? और कौन से price model और कौन से price structure पे आप अपनी offer को रखोगे? Now let's take an example of an offer. For example, जैसे मैंने client acquisition वाली वीडियो में बात की थी cyber security वाले की, right? So we're gonna talk about the cyber security. So your offer is based on healthcare cyber security companies to promise them way more qualified appointments to their calendar, right? And helping them close those appointments as well. ठीक है? It could be anything. I'll simple it down for you. ठीक है? But what you're trying to do is जो cyber security companies है जो healthcare को help करती हैं to install cyber security systems, you're basically helping them find clinics, right? Or any healthcare department that might have their cyber security systems, right? So outcome आप इसको simple words में कैसे कर सकते हो? We help cyber security firms land qualified healthcare clients. This is your outcome, right? दूसरी चीज क्या थी हमारी? टाइम, राइट? So system deploys within, let's say, 5 days. Results or promise fulfilled within 6 months. ठीक है? उसके बाद it was method. What methods are you using, right? Identify appropriate clinics through proper funneling and only booking qualified appointments for your business, right? It's just a method. I mean, obviously there's going to be much more than that. मैं आपको एक simple flow में समझा रहा हूँ, ठीक है? उसके बाद, okay, so method, secret, right? What could be the secret? Now, most of the people, when they're gonna sell cybersecurity to healthcare, they're gonna say, we sell cybersecurity to give you protection and, you know, so your systems don't get any malware, वगैरह. But they don't understand that a lot of healthcare professionals or clinics, they don't like the sci-fi language, they don't like the technical stuff, and they hate talking to people like these, right? So you have to be a little different when you're pitching your offer. And what is your secret is, you just tell them that we don't sell cybersecurity. We sell accountability, clarity, and risk prevention. ठीक है? So we don't sell cybersecurity to our clients. We sell clarity and risk prevention, right? So basically what you're doing is you're telling your client that you are coming from a different angle, right? You're not getting into the sci-fi language of the things that your health clinic or people at the health clinic don't want to know. You're coming from an angle that even a 10-year or 12-year-old at a clinic will understand, right? So that's your secret. This is how you do. But obviously there's much more layers to that, but this is the secret in your offer composition that you're going with, right? उसके बाद हम आ जाते हैं safety net, right? If you don't see results within next 2 months, we work 4 months for free, ठीक है? Or you can say, if we don't get you the results in 6 months, right? 6 months, we guarantee full refund and a couple $1,000, $2,000 to $3,000 और जितनी भी आपको लगता है आप दोगे. वैसे तो आपको इतना assurity होनी चाहिए that you can absolutely help fix their systems. But जब मैं अपने clients को कुछ approach करता था, मैं तो उनको कहता था I will give you $3,000 back if it doesn't work out. And guess what? It always worked out. But anyways, it just shows your conviction and how confident you are in your offer, right? So you can say whatever amount you like. I say yeah, full refund and $3,000 on top of that wired to you as an apology. ठीक है? Apology. Pardon my गंदी writing, but आपको समझ आ गई होगी मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ, right? उसके बाद होगा polarizing. ठीक है? This is not for general IT providers. It is for cybersecurity firms that specialize in helping healthcare. ठीक है? You understand what I'm saying? So basically, आपने polarize कर दिया और आपने कहा किसके लिए ये नहीं है, right? So we're not targeting general providers who just work for anyone. We're targeting specifically people who are very good at handling healthcare cybersecurity, systems or implementing those systems, right? और यार यहाँ पे जगह खत्म हो गई, but I hope you're making notes along with that, so I have to rub थोड़ा समय निकालना पड़ेगा. Last thing is price. ठीक है? Now price का मॉडल जो है ना, मैं आपको आगे जाके बताऊंगा जहाँ पे मैंने मार्क डाउन किया हुआ था, but for now I can say it will be, if you promise them $20,000 to $30,000 on recurring revenue onto their business, then charging $10,000 to $15,000 for 6 months is nothing. ठीक है? That's a really good deal if you give them this much. I would even go more, right? I would go $20,000 की आप dealing के साथ close करो, right? But let's say $10,000 to $15,000 for 6 months, or rather you charge them $5,000 setup fee of like complete backend setup, and then you charge them 10% on every closed lead. But let's say, I think cybersecurity firms में इनके system बहुत महंगे होते हैं, so they might not agree to 10%. But even if you're getting 5% for every client you land for them, for the healthcare, the systems that they install are like, or their offer goes from $30,000 to $100,000 even. But mostly it's around like $30,000, $40,000, $50,000. So yeah, even if you give 5% of that, you're making $5,000 per sale. ठीक है? As per commission, right? So yeah, 5% they would agree on. But if you want to be their partner, you can also pitch them 10% rev share, ठीक है? And not commission, like total rev share of everything they make, which I don't know, like it depends on your skills and depends on your work, but revenue share most likely they won't give you from the start, especially if it's an established company. But it's a startup company, they might. But if your work is really good, they might give you. But even if you get 5% commission and a setup fee, this is very good deal. It's a really good deal. But yeah, this is an example of the offer composition, right? Now, hopefully आप लोगों को समझ आ गई होगी कि आपने ऑफर को किस तरह brick by brick build करना है. But don't worry about it. I think in the section 5 मैं इसको further break down करूँगा what questions you need to ask yourself, to fill out each component of the composition, outcome, price, time. ठीक है? So moving on, another interesting part, from offer composition or explaining offers is your offers short term message, ठीक है? Long term message, long term, ठीक है? And then your pitch. और पहले तो मैं आपको example देता हूँ for inner circle. Right? Like जो हमारा inner circle है, the community I have. Like what is our short term message and long term message, right? So basically short term is basically a message which is 4 to 6 words. Long term is expanding on that in a one liner kind of, right? And then pitch is just explaining how you're going to do that, right? Your methods, your ways, time, etc. right? So let's get an example of inner circle, right? So short term inner circle का, ठीक है? Inner circle example, learn, scale skills and get high paying clients, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, well, it's 7, but and you don't really count, right? So yeah, learn skills and get high paying clients, right? So that's a short term message. Long term hoga something like this, right? It's an example. 9 to 5ers or freelancers, you are one step away from learning how to make $3,000 to $5,000 per month, ठीक है? By learning market research skills and client acquisition systems under 90 days. So आपने एक चीज नोटिस की होगी इसके अंदर, the offer composition is kind of being defined in this one long term message, right? So हमारी target या polarizing क्या है? 9 to 5er or freelancers, right? ठीक है? Mostly it's 9 to 5ers but freelancers as well, right? Because they come in as well, right? You are one step away from what's the goal, ठीक है? Learning how to, you know, make $3,000 to $5,000 per month. You know, अब हमारा promise से ज़्यादा बड़ा हो गया. Some kids are making $10,000 per month as well. But anyways, yeah, by learning market, by doing क्या methodology थोड़ी सी बताई, by learning market research skills and client acquisition, और मैंने बताया time under 90 days, right? So you get what I'm saying? Like if you have the offer composition in mind, then your short term and long term message becomes very easy. And उसके बाद pitch is just gonna be kind of like explaining our methods, right? Pitch is you're gonna, you know, go through, learn mindset, right? And then you're gonna learn market research for your niche, right? Then you're gonna go learn skill accordingly, right? And then you're gonna learn how to get client acquisition, right? So, well, you know, obviously it's just on the surface level, but there's more to that, but I'm just giving you like the methodology of how we're gonna go one by one, right? So this is the pitch. Now let's take even more of an interesting example. मजे की बात पता है क्या है? This methodology of short-term message, ठीक है? Of short-term, long-term, and your pitch is not just applied to providing a service. It's almost applied to everything, right? So for example, टेक इमरान खान कैंपेन, ठीक है, 2018 की, ठीक है, इमरान खान की IK की कैंपेन 2018 की, उसका शॉर्ट टर्म मैसेज क्या था? क्या होगा उसका शॉर्ट टर्म मैसेज? यस यस यस, एग्जैक्टली, नया पाकिस्तान, राइट? लॉन्ग टर्म क्या था उसका मैसेज? एंडिंग करप्शन बाय ब्रिंगिंग करप्ट पॉलिटिशियंस टू जस्टिस एंड रिलीव our nation of debt, right? That was the long-term message. Now what was the pitch, which was, you know, elaborating more on the methodology of how they're going to do it, right? So the pitch would be basically releasing corrupt politicians from the office, right? Uske baad installing more schools and better healthcare, ठीक है, and initiating more social welfare programs, right? Obviously there was much more to that, social welfare programs, but this is just like I'm giving you the pitch in like choti form mein ke what was the grand plan, right? So yeah, hopefully now you understand that every offer needs an offer composition. So basically what we're doing here, we are creating your front end marketing. For example, कोई अगर आपके LinkedIn पे जाता है, तो what they're gonna see, they're not gonna see your damn offer composition, right? Offer composition तो वो चीज है जो आप एक क्लाइंट को फॉर्म में बना के भेजोगे, इसको मैं आगे बताऊंगा. They're just gonna see your short term, your long term message, and maybe some of your pitch, right? That's what they're gonna see. Maybe on your LinkedIn profile, maybe on your Instagram bio, you put your long term message, जिसका मैंने भी लिखा होता है, you know, maybe on your Facebook page, or maybe any of your portfolio that you have out there, right? Maybe if you run ads for yourself, maybe, right? And then you want to write a good copy, most likely your long term message or short term message is gonna be incorporated in that very ad. But like, I mean, most of you won't run ads for yourself. Most of you will be doing like outbound reaches. But I'm just explaining that if need be, this is why you need that, to just position yourself different from the market. ठीक है? Now, ये था part 2 of explaining offers. I know I've been really deep into part 2, but this was very, very important for it to make sense, right? तो जब मैंने कहा था ना मैं offer पे expand करके वीडियो बनाऊंगा, I wasn't kidding. I was actually serious about making that. Now, obviously, in Inner Circle, you know, my community, there's even more depth to that, and we even help you with the offer process and everything. I'm just putting it out there, right? But you know, hopefully whatever I'm telling you could be more than enough for some of you, right? But if you do want to join Inner Circle, you have to DM me on Instagram, join or circle, right? But anyways, enough of that. अब इतनी अगर तुम्हें फ्री चीजें दे रहा हूँ तो अपनी कम्युनिटी की थोड़ी सी तो बात करूंगा ना, क्यों ना करूं? अगर आप होते तो आप ना करते? नहीं मूसा भाई, हम ना करते, हम तो बहुत अच्छे हैं, हम तो दूध के धुले हुए हैं. We are Jinnah and Gandhi 2.0. Part 3, right? This is very important before we move on to the pricing and creating your offer, right? So offer creation mistake. Now this is something that I've covered on my Instagram reels and maybe I've covered before too, but this is important to keep in mind, right? So first thing is copycatting. Okay? That's a big mistake a lot of people make. Now I'm not exactly against copycatting because obviously when you're first creating your offer, you're gonna take inspiration from somewhere, right? जिस तरह कि मैं आपको offer का template दिखा रहा हूँ, pricing का बता रहा हूँ, offer composition दिखा रहा हूँ. Some might say that, oh, that's copycatting, right? You're copycatting Musa's thing. But I mean, मैंने भी कहीं से सीखी ये चीज़, मैंने भी कहीं से inspiration ली है. So like it's not copycatting, but copycatting would be if the damn shit, like if everything almost is the same, right? Outcome भी same है, time भी same है, polarizing भी same है, same audience को target कर रहा है, right? So taking inspiration is always good, right? I'm not against inspiration, but if you're copycatting someone without understanding the market or without understanding the nuances and intricacies of that certain market, you are just gonna shoot yourself in the foot, right? So you always have to make offer unique to you. तो शुरू में ठीक है थोड़ी बहुत ही copycatting और inspiration चलता है. Inspiration तो चलो अच्छी चीज है, copycatting भी अगर करो शुरू में चलता है, but you have to realize that you have to make that bloody thing unique to you, and you're gonna get better at that the more attention you pay to the damn thing, right? The more attention you pay to building your offer and the more outreaches you do. जितनी ज़्यादा outreaches करोगे ना उसी हिसाब से आप अपनी ऑफर को बेहतर करते रहोगे, right? So copycatting exactly किसी को ना करना, you'll be shooting yourself in the foot because you don't understand somebody's offer the way they made it. So like it's gonna be really stupid if you exactly copy them, right? Second mistake would be playing it safe, right? Playing it safe come back to the point that मैंने जब कहा था ना कि आपने confidence inspire करना है अपने client के अंदर. It's all about confidence. The more ballsy your offer is, the more bold it is, the better you're gonna position yourself in front of your client, right? और playing it safe में वो वाली भी चीज़ आ जाती है कि जहाँ पे you're very scared of pitching a high price because you're fearing that the client might go away. Why do nice guys finish last in the dating world, right? Because they're playing it safe. They're always playing it safe. अब मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि तुम किसी लड़की के पास जाके कहोगे, okay, I wanna sleep. Sorry about the language, but you know what I'm getting, right? You're not gonna say that directly to their faces, but you have to be bold in what you can offer, right? And you have to have the ability to walk away as well, right? Neediness नहीं रखनी, but you have to be bold and ballsy. That is very important. ठीक है? Now I'm not saying like to cap the out of your offer and just blatantly lie on everything, right? You're not gonna do that because client भी इतना stupid नहीं होता, वो catch कर लेगा कि क्या bullshit कर रहे हैं, right? So don't be a bullshitter, but जो तुम offer कर रहे हो ना उस पे like you put your foot down and you're like, you're really like confident and you really think that you're gonna change this client's life. You have to come with that attitude, right? So don't play it safe. You have to take a little bit of risk in this game, right? The third thing is complicating. मैंने जिस तरह बात की थी ना कि यार एक बंदी थी जिसकी मैं help कर रहा था and she had like 3 blurry offers, all of it in the front landing page, and then when you go to her landing page, ठीक है, वो spread out हुआ होता है हर जगह पे. Your client's not gonna give you that much time, right? Especially when you're doing outbound outreaches, right? Outbound way, inbound way. The more complicated your offer is, the more your client is gonna run away, right? Even with Inner Circle, we try to like जब setters भी बात करते हैं messages पे, right? Or when I used to talk to the students as well, I would make it as simple as possible ताकि 12 साल का भी अगर बच्चा, वैसे तो 12 साल का कोई नहीं आता, लेकिन अगर 12 साल के बच्चे को भी मैं समझा रहा हूँ ना तो उनको मेरी ऑफर क्लियर हो और उससे ज़्यादा क्लियर उनको रिजल्ट हो जो मैं दे रहा हूँ. द मोर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड योर ऑफर इज द लेस लाइकली चांस दैट पीपल आर इवन गोना गिव इट अटेंशन ऑफ द डे, लेट अलोन कंसिडर इट बाइंग, राइट? सो दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डोंट कॉम्प्लिकेट इट. इसलिए मैंने आपको वो शॉर्ट टर्म मैसेजिंग, लॉन्ग टर्म मैसेजिंग और पिच पे फोकस करने को आया था, एंड बिल्ड अ कॉम्पोजिशन, ताकि क्लैरिटी आए कि आप जो चीज़ बेच रहे हो आपको पता भी आप क्या बेच रहे हो. Yeah, you're just blatantly putting shit out there and you're thinking this is gonna be this is gonna be something my client will love. Don't do that shit, right? Like don't make it complicated. जिस तरह हम करते नहीं थे ये बचपन में, हमें कहते थे कि जितना तुम्हारे ऐसे ज़्यादा बड़ा होगा ना और जितने उसमें complicated SAT words वगैरह होंगे उतना अच्छा होगा. And I used to think that too until I grew up. And the thing is, even the books that you enjoy the most have the most simple English language, but the way the flow is और जिस तरह का उसका structure होता है ना, जो वो आपको eureka moments देता है, वो जो आपको enjoyment देता है, it's all about that. The script, the script is more important than, your hi-fi language or your, complication. ठीक है. और जो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मूवीज भी हमें बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आती है ना, उसकी भी पेसिंग वो इस तरह रखते हैं ताकि एक बच्चा भी अगर देख रहा हो तो वो समझ जाए. बट आई डाइग्रेस, राइट? डोंट कॉम्प्लिकेट द ऑफर. ओह यस, अनदर वन, Number 4, not making your offer industry specific, right? देखो हर इंडस्ट्री के ना कुछ buzzwords होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल you're not gonna be saying, अगर आप रेस्टोरेंट्स को अप्रोच कर रहे हो, आप रेस्टोरेंट्स को ये तो नहीं कहोगे ना मैं आपको क्लाइंट्स ज्यादा ला के दूंगा. Like you're gonna be saying, oh, I'm gonna get you like, you know, more people or more customers at your door, right? You're not gonna be using client, you're not gonna be using acquisition systems, calendar bookings, right? Like, yeah, you're not gonna be using like buzzwords that are not common, right? For example, jewelry brand को आप approach करोगे, then you'll be using like minimalist jewelry, luxury jewelry, right? Those are some sort of buzzword. So like, you have to make your offer as industry specific as possible. And again, how are you gonna do that when you have at most one niche and one market that you're working on? Again, बहुत से लोगों को लगता है कि नहीं यार हमें generally सबको भेजना चाहिए. अभी भी मेरी community में एक लड़का था जिसको मैंने दुरुस्त किया था. वो कह रहा था यू नो मैं हेल्प करता हूँ मार्केटिंग एजेंसी को. मार्केटिंग, मैंने कहा क्या करती हो मार्केटिंग एजेंसी? वो मार्केटिंग करती हैं. लाइक किस चीज की मार्केटिंग करती है, किस तरह मार्केटिंग करती हैं, कौन सी स्ट्रैटेजीज यूज करती है मार्केटिंग करने के लिए, व्हाट आर दे गुड. लाइक यू कैन नॉट जस्ट से आई हेल्प मार्केटिंग एजेंसीज. नोबडी गिव्स अ right? So you have to be industry specific, right? हर एजेंसी की और हर इंडस्ट्री की मार्केटिंग एक डिफरेंट टैक्टिक्स से होती है. While yes, the skeleton structure is there, right? They run ads, they need to have better SEOs or like visibility, right? They need to have better copywriting. Yes, we do get it, but there are different ways of marketing things, right? So you have to make sure that you are using the specific buzzwords for the niche you're targeting. And the last thing is making your offer revolve around your skill. A big mistake people do, even some kids in my community, like लड़के करते हैं जिनको मैं correct करता हूँ कि no, you're not gonna be doing this around your skill. एक बच्चा मेरी community पे आया है जिसको मेटा एड्स भी बहुत अच्छा आता है, गूगल एड्स भी बहुत अच्छा आता है, गूगल की एसईओ भी बहुत अच्छी आती है, एंड ही ऑल्सो नोज गो हाई लेवल, लाइक हाउ टू सेट अप प्रॉपर गो हाई लेवल स्नैपशॉट्स. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज कि ही हैज नो क्लाइंट. नाउ दिस किड नोज 3 very valuable skill in the service based industry, yet he doesn't have any fucking clients. No clients. Why do you think he has no clients? Because he is making or basing his offer around the skill he knows, and that is the last thing you want to do, because probably he's reaching out to people that don't even want his bloody skills. They don't want go high level, they don't want meta ads, right? Maybe he's just approaching like brick and mortar industries that just needs more cold calls, right? Or they just need someone to better handle their incoming calls or incoming inbound systems, right? Or maybe they just work on word of mouth referrals. So yeah, he doesn't know that because he hasn't done any market research and he is basing everything around his skill. So that is a big bloody mistake, and you guys need to be aware of that. A lot of people don't tell you that, but here I am. Don't worry, आपका बड़ा भाई मूसा है ना, मैं किस काम आऊँगा, ठीक है? सो या डोंट बेस इट अराउंड योर स्किल. देखो मैंने ना पिछली वीडियो में बात की थी, पिछली वीडियो में बात की थी, यूजली सर्विस बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री में ना लाइक यू नो देयर इट्स ऑल अबाउट विजिबिलिटी. ठीक है, विजिबिलिटी में एसईओ आ जाता है आपका, ठीक है, लैंडिंग पेजेस एंड यू नो फनल्स, मेकिंग अपॉइंटमेंट बुकिंग सिस्टम्स आ जाते हैं. इसमें स्किल्स की बात करूँ मैं, अपॉइंटमेंट बुकिंग सिस्टम्स लाइक यू नो सेटिंग अ प्रॉपर वर्क फ्लोज टू बुक कॉल्स एंड लाइक यू नो इसमें आ जाता है कोल्ड आउटरीचेज आ जाती हैं, ठीक है, थ्रू SMS, थ्रू कॉल्स, ठीक है. इसके अंदर और क्या क्या चीज़ें आ जाती हैं, इसके अंदर मेटा एड्स आ जाते हैं, गूगल एड्स आ जाते हैं, यूट्यूब एड्स आ जाते हैं, और इसके अंदर क्या आ जाता है, या ईमेल मार्केटिंग आ जाती है, ठीक है. और इसके अंदर क्या आ जाता है, CRM सिस्टम्स आ जाते हैं, जैसे अपोलो हो गया, गो हाई लेवल हो गया, राइट. सो लाइक यू आर नॉट गोना बी फाइंडिंग मच मोर देन दैट, ठीक है. एंड नाउ देयर माइट बी सम फ्यू थिंग्स मोर दैट आई एम मिसिंग राइट नाउ, बट जनरली सारा इसके अराउंड होता है, राइट. एनीथिंग, इट्स ऑल अबाउट विजिबिलिटी, राइट. विजिबिलिटी, आप किस किस चीज, विजिबिलिटी एंड आई वुड ऑल्सो से विजिबिलिटी और क्लोजिंग और कॉपी राइटिंग, राइट. लाइक कॉपी राइटिंग, ऑफर, व्हाटएवर, राइट. बट एवरीथिंग, ये आपके मेजॉरिटी स्किल्स होंगे जो आप यूज करोगे इस चीज के अंदर, राइट. सो अगेन, डोंट बिल्ड योर डैम मार्केट अराउंड दिस थिंग, बिकॉज द मार्केट यू माइट बी अप्रोचिंग, उनको शायद इसमें से वो स्किल चाहिए नहीं होगा जो तुम यू नो तुम ऑफर करो. हो सकता है उनको सिर्फ ईमेल मार्केटिंग चाहिए हो सकता है उनको सिर्फ चाहिए कोई बंदा जिनका CRM सिस्टम हैंडल करे, हो सकता है उनको कोई बंदा चाहिए जो बस कोल्ड आउटरीचेस करे, हो सकता है उनको बस बंदा चाहिए जो कोई लैंडिंग पेजेस या उनके लिए प्रॉपर फनल्स बिल्ड करे. सो या अगेन, मार्केट फर्स्ट, स्किल सेकंड, ठीक है. आई एम सॉरी आई वेंट वे टू डीप इनटू दिस शिट, बट इट हैज टू बी डन. A lot of people are still confused about that, so that's why I went deep into this shit, ठीक है. Very important. Now हमने common mistakes भी गुजार लिए हैं. What is the next thing? The next thing is probably your favorite one जो आप सब कहते हो. Pricing. Price क्या रखें? क्या price हम pitch करें अपने client को? तो पहले तो let's go over the pricing models. ठीक है? That is very important. So the fourth thing is offer, pricing and types. ठीक है? So here we're gonna talk about 7 models that are generally used, and then I'm gonna talk about different price structure according to your client's product. ठीक है? So let's go over the 7 models. Right? Model number 1, monthly retainer. ये आपका पहला मॉडल होगा. Right? What is a monthly retainer? Basically जिस तरह आप जॉब पे नहीं पे होते इसी तरह आपको क्लाइंट मंथली देगा पैसे, चाहे उसका बिजनेस बुरा जा रहा है अच्छा जा रहा है. But obviously if you're working with them they would expect you to do good shit. But to be honest with you, monthly retainer is great, but it's only great if you're working with multiple clients. ठीक है? एक क्लाइंट के मंथली रिटेनर पे आपने जिंदगी नहीं गुजारनी, फिर you'll be a 9 to 5er again. So the thing is that you expand, right? एक क्लाइंट के लिए आपने अच्छा सिस्टम बिल्ड कर लिया है और उससे मंथली रिटेनर बांध लिया, and then you're using the same system on another client. And how will that happen when you only have one niche, right? So again, going back to the pay per appointment, right? Now this is another model. A lot of businesses might not accept it. ठीक है? Like वो कहेंगे नहीं हमें अपॉइंटमेंट पे नहीं, हमें चाहिए, which is the next one. But some of them will do it too, right? Because appointments are important as well. But I would say इसके chances थोड़े कम हैं, but you can always try this approach. The third thing will be pay per show to the appointment, right? Now अगर तो आपका client handle कर रहा है ना closing को, या उसने कोई और बंदा है कि closing का, right? Then they might pay you. But if they're expecting you to close after the show, then they might not pay you for the show. Then you just get them to pay per close, right? Pay per the close, and this is gonna be the best one, of course, right? Pay per close, because client को होगा कि तुम अगर मेरा headache भी संभाल लेते हो ना close करने का, then मुझे इससे बेहतर कोई चीज नहीं चाहिए. But don't worry, there are some businesses, right? The brick and mortar businesses, the local businesses that love if for example a car dealership, right? They might pay you for the appointment, so they might pay you even more for show. Definitely for show, because a lot of people that go to the car dealerships usually end up walking out with the car in hand, right? And I bought कितनी मैंने 4-5 गाड़ियाँ तो खरीद ली हैं, ठीक है? और हर दफ़ा मैं एक ही दफ़ा डीलरशिप गया और उसी टाइम पे मैं गाड़ी लेके आया हूँ. मैंने कॉर्वेट भी, टेस्ला भी, ट्रक भी उसी दिन गया, उसी दिन डील फाइनल करके आया, because they're very good at what they do. And you need to be smart too. Obviously when I go there I know all the tactics and I get a bloody good rate out of it, कुछ मशवरे वगैरह लेके. But at the end of the day they close the deal. Like 50% of their work is done when you show up to their dealership, right? So they might pay you for the show up. But this was just an example. Fifth hoga rev share, the best one in my opinion for long term, right? If you can get into the rev share, if the business is set up and they have a constant flow of good quality clients, right? Their business is constantly growing, then you, my friend, have hit a lottery with getting a rev share in their business, right? The sixth one is, which is the most commonly I tell my students, right? Set a fee plus results based, ठीक है? और results based के अलावा आप ये भी कह सकते हो कि set a fee plus commission on every close. I think this is the best one if you're working with the proper business, right? Commission per close, right? And the last one would be free trials. But this is something that I am kind of against, right? The free trials, because बहुत से बच्चे क्या mistake करते हैं, right? What they do is वो client को free trial दे देते और कहते हैं client जो है हमारा वो free trial लेते हैं, आते हैं और फिर वो भाग जाते हैं. अबे बेवकूफो, free trial जब उनको दे रहे होते हो ना तो इतने लंबे free trial ना दिया करो. मैं एक स्टूडेंट वो 14 दिन के free trial दे रहा है, 20 दिन के free trial दे रहा है. मैंने कहा भाई तू क्या वो फेरो वाली एज में आगे तुमका मुलाजिम है मम्मी का, तो उनको 14 दिन देगा, 20 दिन देगा, तुम्हारा बाप लगता है वो. I'm sorry for the language, I just get very angry at this shit, right? So don't do that, right? If you're trying to get them to get your free trial, right, at least get somewhat of a deposit from them, right? Get somewhat of a commitment. The deposit couldn't be that much, but if you do get a deposit, they will be at least committed to work with you on that free trial and ghost you and run away. Or if you're giving them a free trial, don't do that more than 5 days. I mean, sometimes 5 days are a lot too, right? If it's like not a big company, right? अगर छोटी मोटी company तो 5 days भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, right? Commitment is very important. Now, let's say after 5 days they don't close with you. Yes, something happens, right? You at least get a testimonial out of them, right? You're not gonna give anything for free. You give them your time, right? Your time is money. A lot of the brokies don't understand this, right? And yeah, I'm gonna use brokies for that. People just take time for granted, right? कहते हैं हम community नहीं join करेंगे, चीजें नहीं join करेंगे, या अपने आप में बन रहे होते कि हम तो free का जाके देखेंगे. This video you're watching, you're not watching it for free. Surprise, surprise. I'm taking your time, right? I'm influencing you in a certain way. I know it might sound very douchey when I say this and you're watching, you're like, यार अभी तो 5 मिनट पहले मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा था, बुल्लू का पट्टा लग रहा. What I'm trying to say is you are buying this or you're watching this with your time, right? So very very important कि अगर आप उसको time दे रहे हो ना तो at least get something out of it. Testimonial तो लो से, right? Call पे हो ना उसके साथ, final call पे नहीं मान पा रहा, वो कुछ नहीं हो रहा, तो get a bloody testimonial out of them right there on the Zoom call, right? Or Google Meet call, उधर ही लो face to face, right? Trust me, if you keep on doing this, let's say तुम्हें 3 से 4 अगर लोग ditch भी कराते हैं, 3 से 4 testimonial आ जाएंगे, 5वां तुम्हें सोचेगा ditch कराने से पहले, right? Because they know how much the other people like your service, right? And another thing is when you're pitching them free trials, well, I was going to talk about it later on, but anyways, if you are pitching your free trial, always pitch your premium, right? And then pitch your premium in a way that just shows them how much of a better this option is, right? Like you add so many perks into that compared to your free trial that, you know, it's a no-brainer for them to pick up your premium offer. But more on that later. But be very, very careful when you're offering the free trials. Now your favorite part, right? पैसे कितने चार्ज करने चाहिए हमें, right? Let me give you a ballpark rough estimate that I kind of came up with according to your client's ticket, right? अगर तो आपका let's say client coach है, consultant है, dentist है, you know, उनके dental clinic है, gym है, boxing gym है, कुछ भी है, ठीक है? And their charge or their ticket is, इसको मैं 3 tier में divide करूँ तो first tier में उनकी ticket है $100 to $1,000 per lead, right? So per appointment, you should be charging 5%, ठीक है? Right? If they take that, right? Per show, के show up rate पे, you can be charging easily 7.5%, right? Per close, right? You could be charging somewhere from 10 to 15%. Depends, right? You can do 12.5%, 10%, depending on the client's energy, mood, वगैरह वगैरह, ठीक है? Or the way they handle things, ठीक है? Now, revenue share यहाँ पर, क्योंकि, you know, जो ticket है वो छोटी है, you can always do 25% revenue share of the total sale, ठीक है? Now, let's say their charge is 1K to 3K, right? $1,000 to $3,000, ठीक है? Per appointment, you can charge them 2.5%. Per show, you can charge them 5%. Per close, you can charge them 7.5 to 10% per close, ठीक है? अगर 1 से $3,000 है, और rev share मैं यहाँ पे कहूँगा कि you keep 20%, ठीक है? Now, the third option, which is $3,000 to $10,000 and above. You can get the idea of how you're gonna select the price, but I'm only doing 3 tiers, right? So 3K to 10K and above, right? Then per appointment, you're gonna do maybe 1% or 1.5%, ठीक है? Per show, you're gonna do 2.5, ठीक है? Because it's a big chunk of money, right? Per close, you're gonna be doing 5 to 7.5, ठीक है? But most of them will give you 5, especially if it's $10,000 or above, ठीक है? And rev share would be 10%, which is still a lot, trust me, ठीक है? So yeah, this is the pricing structure that I would highly advise you pitch them, ठीक है? So hopefully that made sense to you. Now, let's talk about, अब हमने pricing की बात कर ली, now we're the fifth one, right? Offer creation worksheet, ठीक है? तो worksheet एक proper हम किस तरह बनाए, right? Or how do we go step by step, right? So I'm gonna give you a bunch of questions, I'm gonna say them, you just write them down, ठीक है? So there are total 10 steps to your offer creation worksheet. The first step will be who is it for, right? So इसमें आप cover कर सकते हो what niche are you in, what kind of people are you serving, ठीक है? What kind of specific problem you are solving for this niche or for these people, what are the goals of the members of this niche facing that problem, ठीक है? मैं questions बोल रहा हूँ, you can, you know, write this down. What have you tried to solve this problem in the past? What is their current situation? What is their desired situation? And there could be more questions, but I think these are more than enough, right? Step 2 would be define outcome, right? जिस तरह हमने बात की थी offer composition के अंदर, right? That will be step 2. What is the big promise that you intend on keeping? What's the bold claim? इसके अंदर सब basically I'm talking about sub questions, right? Second sub question होगा how are you gonna make this offer tangible? मतलब कि how are you gonna make it more doable. Third question इसी के अंदर होगा, where will someone be if you solve their problem for them, right? I'm not talking about location के वो हवाई में बैठे होंगे, नहीं. Where will someone be, like, you know, metaphorically, where will they be after you solve the problem, right? ये अभी तक हम step 2 में बात कर रहे हैं. How will they feel when they receive the outcome that you're giving them? Now step 3 इसके अंदर होगा, that is define time frame, right? और इसके अंदर सब questions होंगे. What is the realistic time frame for you to achieve your client's goal? ठीक है? What is the specific time frame you think? Why does it take this time that you thought that it would take, right? Why does it take this long? That's the second question. And the third question will be, how can you make this time shorter? कि कौन सी चीजें तुम इसके अंदर और ऐड कर सकते हो? Maybe, you know, outsourcing some of the work, right? Or maybe buying a better software. Like, what can you do to make this time frame shorter that जो आपने पहले सवाल के अंदर सोचा, right? Now the fourth thing would be your method, right? और इसके अंदर भी सब questions होंगे. First question इसके अंदर होगा, what are the core components of your product? How does these core components help achieve the outcome? That's the second question. Then the third question will be, list in full detail what needs to be done to achieve this outcome. ठीक है? Now you're gonna make a list of, like, you may be, you know, listing down 10 things. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. ठीक है? तो ये मैं तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ. This is not just an offer creation worksheet. I'm helping you make the best offer ताकि तुम्हें खुद भी clarity हो कि तुमने क्लाइंट की हेल्प किस तरह करनी है, राइट? सो मेक अ लिस्ट, लाइक तीसरा जो मैंने क्वेश्चन बताया, राइट? लाइक डिस्क्राइब ईच मेथड इन डिटेल एंड मेक like 10 steps of it, like how you're going to do it step by step. Then you're going to say, the fourth question will be, what are the most important items in the list I made? Then what are the least important items in the list I made, right? Then you're going to take out the least important things and then you're going to remake the list again, right? What does the list look like now when I take out the least important stuff? Okay, so that's your fourth step. The fifth step would be create value factors, right? That's the fifth step. And that is just you explaining. इसका बस सब question ये होगा कि you're gonna make a paragraph, right? And you're gonna explain why your method will work, right? You have to explain what things in your method you think will work the best and why will they work, right? That will be you're creating a value factor. The number 6 step is risk reversal, right? Pretty self-explanatory कि किस तरह का तुम risk reversal दोगे या किस तरह की तुम guarantee दोगे अपने client के लिए. Maybe write 4 to 5 of them, right? Or maybe 3, and then just pick the best one out for you, ठीक है? Or for the market that you're serving. Polarize again. Who is this offer not for? Make a list of people that maybe are in that industry, right? For example, अगर automotive industry को आप serve कर रहे हो, तो who is this offer not for? Mercedes, BMW, or any German industry, right? Or any American industry. Maybe it's just specific for Japanese cars, right? This is just me giving an example, but you need to polarize who is it not for, who is it for, ठीक है? Number 8 step होगा अल्टीमेटम, ठीक है? अल्टीमेटम में बेसिकली आपने बस लिखना है बेस्ट केस सिनेरियो क्या होगा और worst case scenario क्या होगा, ठीक है? Just two things. If they get your offer, what is the best case they're gonna get? And if they don't take your offer, what is the worst case they're gonna get? In both of the things, it should be beneficial towards your client, right? Worst case will be bad for you, but the best and the worst case will be good for your client. For example, अगर आप एक offer दे रहे हो, right? उन्हें और आप कह रहे हो best case होगा कि you know we add $20,000 to $30,000 per month on your monthly recurring revenue. Worst case हो सकता है if we don't fulfill our promise, we work for you for free for a certain time and we refund all of your money, even the setup fee that you gave us, like in full amount, right? So basically best case आपके लिए तो best है ही है, लेकिन client के लिए best और worst case दोनों अच्छे हैं because यहाँ से आप वो risk reversal वाली बात को और strong कर रहे हैं, right? And the 9th step would be packaging, right? Packaging क्या थी आपकी basically, जो मैंने आपको long term message बताया था कि किस तरह आप पूरी चीज को एक पैकेज के अंदर डालते हैं, right? Who is it for? Problem कौन सी solve कर रहे हो, ठीक है? Method थोड़ा सा, ठीक है? And then time frame. Basically, how do you package that in a one long sentence, ठीक है? Like आपकी front end marketing क्या है basically? What is your front end marketing if you package it all together? And the 10th thing would be your pricing, right? Which is pretty self-explanatory. But when you're setting up your prices, I say this time and time again, but something you guys need to know. The more price your product has, the more premium the offer is, the higher in value it's going to be perceived, right? So never do this mistake कि आपकी niche के अंदर या आपके competition के अंदर जो आपके clients है वो charge कर रहे हैं let's say $1,000 या $500, $300-400, तो आपको यार Fiverr और Upwork को इस तरह की जगहों पे तो इतना करते हैं, मैं कौन हूँ तो मैं फन्ने का हूँ तो मैं इनको $1,000-2,000 चार्ज करूँ? तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं सारी मार्केट का एवरेज निकाल के उसमें से थोड़ी सी प्राइस कम करके उनको बेच देता हूँ। ये चढ़ने पड़ेगी यहाँ से ई स्लैब, ठीक है? So don't do that shit, ठीक है? You want your price to be premium, and why do I say that, right? Like at least for the very least, right? Although you know कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनको बिल्कुल confident नहीं होता, I go against it, but it should be at least 20 to 40% more, ठीक है? Than the competition. Trust me, because that also give you a different positioning in the market, right? Now, like pricing की बात अभी हो ही रही है ना, तो let me just double down on this because it's very important, right? Because offer में it's all about pricing, and I will give credit to Alex Hormozi for this, right? उसने एक sheet बनाई थी, टेबल बनाया था, जहाँ पर उसने बताया था कि अगर आप प्राइस इंक्रीज करते हो ना, ये है प्राइस आपकी, ठीक है, ये इंक्रीजिंग, ठीक है, ये प्राइस है अगर आप डिक्रीज करते हो, दिस इज योर क्लाइंट, राइट? इफ यू इंक्रीज द प्राइस, राइट, आपका जो क्लाइंट होगा ना, उनकी इमोशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट ज्यादा होगी, राइट? फॉर एग्जांपल, मुझे अपनी तीनों गाड़ियों में से सबसे ज्यादा कौन सी पसंद है? क्यों मोबाइल मिलेगा अगर आप सही आंसर दोगे, कॉर्वेट, टेस्ला या ट्रक? एग्जैक्टली, टेस्ला, मजाक कर रहा हूं, कॉर्वेट, ठीक है, C8. Why? Because it's the most expensive. But not only that, I mean, it's just not that, but although it is, in a way, right? It's the most expensive one, so it has the most emotional investment from me. But sometimes you can make the argument कि, you know, जैसे मेरी घड़ियाँ हैं, for example, I like, you know, good watches. I don't own like the very expensive ones. I'm planning to get some, but मेरी watch collection में कुछ महंगी watches भी हैं मेरे पास, लेकिन जो मेरी सबसे favorite personal watch है वो मेरे अब्बू की है. My father passed away in 2019. And he had a Seiko watch which was around 250 or something, but that watch holds more value to me than maybe a Rolex if I buy a new one, right? So yes, emotional investment is there, I do get that, but ये client और business world में नहीं चलता है, ठीक है? वो तुम्हारे बाप नहीं है, वो you know तुम्हारे client है, ठीक है? And value, yeah, so the more price your offer is, the higher value it's gonna have, ठीक है? Then results, जितनी ज़्यादा आप price रखोगे उतना ही chance होगा कि results भी आप ला सकते हो client के लिए, ठीक है? ये client will bring the results if it's a do with you offer, ठीक है? Now demand, ये तो self explanatory है, right? कौन सी हमें Rolex की घड़ियों की demand है, या फिर why do we want to wear Rolex, why do we want to have nice cars, right? Okay, you can say the Swift movement is great and everything, but really it's, you know, because they have the market, their price at a premium price, and a certain people can have access to those watches, so the demand goes up. आपको months on end wait करना होता है if you want to have a specific watch for you, right? So yeah, revenue for fulfillment, right? Revenue for fulfillment, what do I mean by that? जितनी ज्यादा आप प्राइस रखोगे उतना ही ज्यादा आपके पास रेवेन्यू आएगा क्लाइंट की रिक्वेस्ट पूरी करने का, राइट? फॉर एग्जांपल, समवेयर अलोंग द वे आपसे सारी चीजें क्लाइंट की हैंडल नहीं हो रही, बट अगर आपने प्रीमियम प्राइस रखी थी और इफ योर प्राइस वाज अप, you can outsource your work, right? Or you can buy better softwares. And how you're going to do that, right? If the price was up, your revenue for fulfillment goes up. So, you know, you can buy better equipment to serve your client. Now, business के लिहाज से आपके लिए क्या बेहतर होगा अगर आप प्राइस को ऊपर रखते हो, ठीक है? Profit. Obviously, we all like profit, right? If a business is not making good enough profit margins, the business is not going to survive. Trust me. Perceived value of sale. Well, it kind of goes back to the value thing, but ज़्यादा value आपकी sale की, you know, होगी जितनी ज्यादा प्राइस होगी, ठीक है? सर्विस लेवल्स, ठीक है? जितनी ज्यादा प्राइस अच्छी होगी उतनी ज्यादा आप सर्विस दोगे. जिस तरह आप रोलेक्स की दुकान पे जाते हो ना, तो कैसे आपको एक शैंपेन पिलाते हैं, पीछे लेके जाते हैं, आपकी टांगे दबाते हैं, यू नो, एक बंदा पंख नहीं, आई एम गोइंग एक्स्ट्रा, बट या दे गिव यू लाइक अ रियली हाई टियर सर्विस. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल रिसेंटली आई वेंट टू द रैल्फ लॉरेन स्टोर इन लेगेसी वेस्ट, राइट? तो मैंने रैल्फ लॉरेन से पहले डायरेक्टली नहीं कभी खरीदा था. समटाइम्स आई वुड बाय फ्रॉम मेसी, समटाइम्स आई वुड बाय फ्रॉम लाइक सेकंड हैंड स्टोर्स, बट यू नो, फर्स्ट टाइम आई वेंट टू रैल्फ लॉरेन लेगेसी वेस्ट में, आई वाज लाइक लेट मी बाय सम पोलोज. मैंने 2 पोलो वगैरह ली. ओ बंदे ने पूरा सूटेड बूटेड आया है, पूरा पैकेज बना के, प्यारा सा स्टिकर लगा के, भाई साहब ने दुकान दरवाजा खोल के मुझे बाहर तक छोड़ा है. सर, आपको डोर नॉब पे ना हाथ लगाना पड़े, लेकिन अगर कुछ नहीं लेके जाओगे ना तो वो, यू नो, वो कहेंगे दैट्स द डोर राइट देयर. So service levels, right? Service levels goes up the higher the price, right? And yes, sales team work hard, right? So for example, जितना ज़्यादा आपका प्रोडक्ट महंगा होगा उतनी ज़्यादा बड़ी कमीशन सेल्स टीम को मिलेगी, राइट? तो उनका इंसेंटिव भी इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा. अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट $100 का, उसमें 5% कमीशन मिले, सेल वाले को कहेगा यार जब मैं इतनी मेहनत करूँ सर खपाऊँ, राइट? बट इफ देयर गेटिंग लाइक $500 off of a commission or $1,000 off of a commission, yeah, you bet they will work their ass off, right? Now, yeah, if I really wanted to double down on this, you know, that's why I wanted to give time, but note these are very, 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 very important. important thing, right? Price down करोगे ना तो सारी चीजें down चली जाएंगी जो मैंने अभी बात की. Now I was on the sixth slide, which was a sample offer for inspiration, right? So sample offer for inspiration, it was a Loom video that I made going on an offer sheet. You're reaching out to cybersecurity firms that provide cybersecurity for healthcare. So watch this. Achha, so when it comes to the example, right, I'm going to give you the example, the same one that I use in my client acquisition mastery video, which is pitching to cybersecurity firms that help set cybersecurity for healthcare businesses, right? So it's a pretty simple doc, but don't just like copy this exact pitch, right? This is an example doc, but you can copy the method that I have built this in, right? So for example, सबसे पहले आपने define करना कि who you help, right? So you have to define, which is the polarizing part, healthcare and ransomware protection cybersecurity firms, right? Now the problems they face, right? यहाँ पे तुम बताओगे कि they usually only rely on referrals, that is hard for them to sell to clinics, have a hard time because most firms get too nitty gritty on the tech details वगैरह. You get the picture, right? उसके बाद तुम्हारा promise, the guarantee, right? And this is the doc you're gonna build when you have, you know, no testimonials, right? क्योंकि यहाँ पे तुम अपने risk reversals पे double down कर रहे हो, right? And you are like absolutely positioning yourself as the best person because of your confidence and the amount your work you're going to provide them, right? But let's go on. So our promise, ठीक है, अपना promise बताओ. We will legally make a contract with you where we vow to add $30,000 worth of extra income towards your monthly recurring revenue. Take care, MRR. If you don't see this result within 6 months, we will personally pay you $3,000 as an apology and return any setup fee on top of that. Now that's a big risk reversal, right? मतलब कि somebody who's giving someone this risk reversals might be really confident in their product, right? And this is something that I send to my clients as well, or you know, the other coaches that I work with, जिनको मैं help करता हूँ scale करने में for personal branding. You know, because I'm confident. Like I like obviously the offer is not the same, like $30,000, but whatever promise there is, I'm pretty confident I will deliver it. And another thing is कि अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं भी हो ना, फिर भी अपने ऊपर एक साइकोलॉजिकल तलवार रखो, राइट? बिकॉज अगर आप रखोगे ना, देन यू विल बी मोर इंक्लाइंड टू वर्किंग एंड फाइंडिंग एनी वे पॉसिबल टू गेट योर क्लाइंट देयर ड्रीम रिजल्ट, एंड दैट विल ऑल्सो मेक यू ग्रो एज वेल एज अ पर्सन एंड एज समवन विद अ प्रॉपर स्किल एंड सर्विस, ठीक है ना? उसके बाद आप स्ट्रैटेजी बताओगे, ठीक है? सो एक आउटबाउंड की स्ट्रैटेजी बेसिकली, राइट, और एक इनबाउंड की. आउटबाउंड बेसिकली व्हेन यू आउटरीच पीपल फॉर देम and you know, make $100 मेरे Loom emails per day, we will provide description, everything, right? Make 100 calls, cold calls per day. Now one thing I want to make it absolutely clear, जब आप अपने क्लाइंट को एक लूम वीडियो, छोटा सा वीडियो बना के भेजोगे ना 2 मिनट की, यू आर गोना बी कवरिंग दिस डॉक, राइट? ये ऑफर आपकी, ठीक है? लेकिन डोंट गो इनटू द डिटेल्स ऑफ योर मेथड्स. यू आर ओनली गोना कवर दिस एवर विद देम ऑन अ डेमो कॉल, ठीक है? डेमो कॉल पे आप इन पे जा सकते हो, बट रियली व्हाट डज द क्लाइंट रियली केयर अबाउट, लाइक वी हैव टॉक्ड बिफोर, is this part right here, rather this part right there, okay? So double down on it, and well, this part and understanding their problems, which is this part right there, okay? So yeah, sorry about that. Okay, तो इधर आ जाओ एक सेकेंड, ठीक है? एंड आउटबाउंड स्ट्रक्चर पे आप इसको पढ़ सकते हैं. एक इनबाउंड स्ट्रक्चर बनाया ना, जरूरी नहीं है कि आप ये सेम तरीका बनाओ, आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी कोई भी हो सकती है. जिस तरह मैंने आपको कहा था ना कि स्टेप बाय स्टेप आप 10 लिस्ट करो कि आप क्या चीजें करोगे और किस ना करोगे. व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग दिस डॉक फॉर योरसेल्फ, राइट, यू हैव टू बी मोर, यू हैव टू एलैबोरेट मोर. ये तो मैंने इस तरह की डॉक बनाई जो मैं क्लाइंट को दिखा सकता हूँ, राइट? बट फॉर योरसेल्फ यू कैन मेक अ मोर एलैबोरेटेड डॉक. बट देखो अगेन, हु यू हेल्प, उनकी क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, तुम्हारा प्रॉमिस, तुम्हारी स्ट्रैटेजी, इन आउटबाउंड इनबाउंड, उसके बाद फिर से तुम्हारी गारंटी, राइट? अगेन डबल डाउन ऑन द गारंटी. इफ यू फॉलो द स्टेप्स वी प्रोवाइड एंड प्रॉपरली वर्क विद अस, नाउ हियर व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इज यू आर गिविंग देम रियल एक्सपेक्टेशंस, राइट? So if you follow and properly work with us over the course of 180 days, we will we still fail to add extra 30K, we will process a full refund, wire transfer you 3K, and then keep helping you build your system for the next 60 days valued at 3K, right? Or you can do 90 days or 70 days, whatever have you, right? Now, so you can either, now here comes the best case and worst case scenario part, right? So this is best case, right? So you can either implement my agency's infrastructure and add $30,000 to in extra monthly recurring revenue, or this is the worst case, okay? Where if you implement it and not make money, you will still receive full refund, get a complimentary 3K wired to you and extra 90 days of service for free. ठीक है? Please note again, this is not now again the real expectation. Again, एक last promise आपने डालना. This is not a get rich quick scheme for or a shiny object. This takes some time. This is a 6-month tenure to build predictable client infrastructure to your business. Now, if you're going over this doc and you're making a Loom video, ठीक है, और आप अपने client को लगा के भेज रहे हो, then add a CTA or call to action, or you don't even have to add it over here. You can just say it on your video, right? If you're interested in adding $30,000 into your monthly recurring revenue in the amount of time that we promised you with all the guarantees that we guarantee you, then you can schedule a call with me. A demo call is going to be purely demo. We're just going to see if it's a great fit for you or not, and you can leave your card at home. This is again just to see if we can work with you guys or not, or vice versa from your end. So yeah, I know you're already stoked and you're ready to go, so I will see you on the other side very soon. Something along those lines. ठीक है? This was it for part 6 and let's move on to part 7. Now boys and girls, आपने वो वीडियो देख लिया. Hopefully you understand everything. You know, आपने वो डॉक्यूमेंट देख लिया, किस तरह डॉक्यूमेंट बिल्डअप करना है, और बेसिकली आप उसमें नोटिस कर रहे होगे जो मैंने ऑफर क्रिएशन वर्कशीट में बातें की थी ना सारी, वो उसके अंदर लिस्ट डाउन हुई हुई है. ठीक है? Now the last one before the bonus, which is more on risk reversal, right? So what do I mean by that? More on risk reversal. ठीक है? So मैंने risk reversal की पहले बहुत दफा बात कर ली है, but I just wanted to double down on it because it's really important. I'm gonna go really quick on this one. पहला part होगा without testimonial, right? So if you have no testimonials, right, then you have to double down, right, on your result, right, and you have to deliver that with absolute confidence, right? मैंने क्या कहा था कि confidence जितना ज़्यादा ऊपर जाएगा and pain जितनी ज़्यादा ऊपर जाएगी, the higher chances of them taking action on your offer, right? So हो सकता है आपके client की pain point इतनी ज़्यादा ना हो, लेकिन if you're giving them confidence or absolute conviction of the results, then yes, you can do that, right? And on top of that, your guarantee, you have to double down on your guarantee or your risk reversal if you have no testimonial. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा था कि worst case scenario और best case scenario दोनों scenario में आपके client की जीत होनी चाहिए. ठीक है? इनकी जीत हो, आपकी हार हो. ठीक है? नहीं, I mean always go for the deals that are win-win for both of you. But what I'm trying to say is, if you're really confident in the result you're going to provide, you're not going to be worried about, you know, failing. See, in this industry, like risk reversals are there just like insurances, right? So अगर आप यहाँ पे जैसे अमेरिका में मंथली इंश्योरेंस आप कार की देते हो, रेंटल प्रॉपर्टी इंश्योरेंस देते हो, कितने ही कोई चांसेस होते हैं कि घर में खुदा ना खास्ता आग लग जाती है, आपका एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, खुदा ना खास्ता, राइट? मे बी कार इंश्योरेंस पे ज़्यादा होता है, पर घर की तो इंश्योरेंस पे rarely that ever happens, but it can happen, right? So that's why the guarantee is there to help them sleep at night, right? Now if you have testimonial and if you have good testimonials, right, you still can double down on your conviction and your confidence, but वो आपको जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी because you have the testimonials and your testimonials will speak for itself, right? So like your confidence or your conviction will come more from your, I would say, attitude to walk away. Like, you know, like if you want to work with us, the price is the price, right? I cannot do anything about it. You can tell them I can send you off to, or I can direct you to one of our cheap competitors who can fulfill your request or fulfill your needs of service. That comes with testimonials, right? So yeah, but also guarantee तुम फिर भी अच्छी रखो अपनी. अगर तुम्हारे पास testimonials हैं या नहीं है, guarantee को फिर भी solid रखो. And why do I say that? If you have testimonials, then what do you have to be afraid of, right? If you have real testimonials and you really think that you can help your client, still have the solid guarantee. ठीक है? और अगर testimonials के साथ तुम्हारी conviction अच्छी, तुम अच्छी guarantee दे रहे हो, तो मेरा थूक फेंक देना मुंह पे, अगर client नो कह दे तुम्हें, ठीक है? जिस तरह की guarantees मैं तुम्हें बताया था, ठीक है? अब बाकी ना अमेरिका टिकट करा के या यहाँ पे आके थूक फेंकने आ जाना, लानती हो. अगर खुद काम नहीं हो ना, मूसा भाई पे थूक फेंकेंगे. यार मजाक कर रहा हूँ. लव यू ऑल. बड़ा भाई हूँ, कभी कभी झाड़ देता हूँ, लेकिन प्यार से झाड़ता हूँ. I kill you guys with kindness. ठीक है? Now the last thing, yeah, the bonus one, that is very very important, right? यार वो bonus में ना मैंने positioning for जो premium वाला था ना, वो मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया कि why you gonna position your offer, अपनी price को क्यों ऊपर करना है, ठीक है? ये वो हरमोजी वाली example ही मैं आपको दे रहा था. So I was gonna cover that in the bonus, but I covered that before. Now in the bonus, I'm just gonna talk about decoy offer, ठीक है? And I'm gonna talk about upsells that you can do in your offer or downsells you can do, right? And after that, that we will be done. Do you know how long I've been standing? For 81 minutes. और मेरी कमर अब जवाब दे रही है. But don't worry. I'm not tired. I am not tired. I can never be tired for you guys. ठीक है? So let's talk about decoy offer. Now, what the hell is a decoy offer, right? Something again I learned from Alex Sarbozi, but let me give you an example of how it works in real time, right? Let's talk about it. So basically, you're gonna get your client, ठीक है? और ये client acquisition के अंदर वाली चीज आई थी, but I'm just putting it out there. You're gonna give them or you're gonna guarantee them something for free or something at a discounted price. More than likely chance है कि अगर तुम उनको फ्री दे रहे हो ना, ठीक है, अपनी ऑफर के अंदर कोई चीज, ठीक है, अपफ्रंट पे, तो ज्यादा लीड्स आएंगी, मोर लीड्स, लेकिन लेस क्वालिटी, ठीक है, ऑफ क्लाइंट्स. यहां पर होगा अगर डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस दे रहे हो, लेस लीड्स बट मोर क्वालिटी clients, right? And once they come into the call with you and they start getting your services, as soon as they get into the call with you, let's say they come into the call with you to get the free stuff, right? They want the free stuff. Now this is what you can pitch them. Decoy offer mein, theek hai? You can tell them, are you here for the free stuff or to get long lasting or everlasting results, right? More than likely they will say everlasting results, but if they're being a smart ass, they might say, no, we're just here for the free stuff. Okay, so let's say first they say long lasting results, right? Then you pitch them your premium offer जो आपने अपने दिमाग में सोची हुई थी to close the client, right? This is just a very good lead magnet in your offer, ठीक है? Now if they say नहीं, we want the free stuff, then you go ahead and you pitch them the free stuff, but then जब फ्री स्टफ उनको दे रहे होगे उसके साथ तुम अपने प्रीमियम को भी उनको ऑफर करोगे और इन दोनों में कॉन्ट्रास्ट बताओगे. नाउ द कॉन्ट्रास्ट शुड बी रियली बिग. प्लीज, द कॉन्ट्रास्ट शुड बी एब्सोल्युटली बिग फॉर देम टू कंसिडर द प्रीमियम ऑफर, राइट? अगर इसमें 1, 2 या 3 चीजें तो इसमें 11-12 चीजें होनी चाहिए, राइट? और फ्री में बल्कि 2 चीजें रखो, उसमें 12 होनी चाहिए, ठीक है? Something along those lines. Now after presenting them both, you can say which one do you like better, right? For example, the free one is X and this is Y. Do you like X, which is really less in value, or do you like Y, which is way more in value? Choice is yours, ठीक है? And one thing I would suggest you guys is कि जब तुम इनको प्रीमियम ऑफर दे रहे होते हो ना, don't give it as if like you're scared कि वो what will they say. You have to be very very excited when you're talking to client, right? आप लोगों ने नोटिस किया होगा, आप कुछ दुकानों पे जाते हो ना और जब वो आपको कोई अपसेल या कोई चीज करते थे, वेरी ओवरजॉयड, लाइक यू नो, वो चीजें बेचने के लिए आंखें खोली होती, एक्साइटेड होते हैं. Some employees are trained, right, from their managers or from their boss to act that way. That is a sign of really good service, right? So when you're pitching them premium offer, right, you have to be really overjoyed and excited that how good is gonna fit, you know, their needs, right? How good is gonna be in fulfilling or in solving their problem, right? And you have to act in a way that they have already bought the premium offer. जिस तरह होता है ना कि हम कोई ट्रिप प्लान कर रहे होते हैं तो हम इस तरह प्लान करते हैं कि जैसे ट्रिप हो गया प्लान, राइट? यार हमने इधर जाना था, यू नो, नॉर्दर्न एरियाज में जाएंगे पाकिस्तान में. अच्छा यार, उधर जाके ना फिर हमने ना जाएंगे ना, जब हम उधर पहुंचेंगे हम सुबह नाश्ता करेंगे, जाके स्ट्रॉन्ग सी चाय पियेंगे, हाइकिंग करेंगे, हम ये करेंगे बॉयज, और फिर सीन ऑन करेंगे बॉयज, ठीक है? तो तुमने भी इसी तरह बात करनी कि भाई डन हो गया, तेरी मेरी रिटर्न आर्ग्यूमेंट नहीं, आ गए हो तुम मेरे मेहमान हो, अब बस घुस गए हो तुम. इस तरह बात करोगे ना फुल एक्साइटमेंट के साथ. ट्रस्ट मी, लाइक समटाइम्स सबकॉन्शियसली पीपल गेट इनटू योर फ्रेम, दे गेट इनटू द विजुअल्स ऑफ लाइक डे ड्रीमिंग ऑफ लाइक, यस, इफ वी बिकम हिज कस्टमर आवर लाइफ इज गोना बी सो मच बेटर, राइट? एंड रिमेंबर व्हेन आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट द कोर प्रिंसिपल्स, राइट? दे आर गोना बी थिंकिंग of all the times they're not going to be receiving any pain, because pain is the biggest driving factor of human development. Look around you, everything that has been built by humans is because of pain, right? गर्मी लग रही है सर, पंखा चला लिया, पेन सॉल्व होगी, ठीक है, ठंड होगी, you know, पैंट की जिप बंद करनी है, ठीक है, अप डाउन सिस्टम अच्छा बना दिया बिकॉज पेन हो रही थी ना, वो जिप लेटर बॉक्स खुला रहता है सबके सामने. इट्स जस्ट अ फनी एग्जांपल. पता नहीं हंसी आई होगी कि नहीं आपको, बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज लाइक, यू नो, खाना पकाना था, यू नो, चूल्हा चाहिए था, चूल्हा बना लिया, वरना यू नो पहले लकड़ियों पे रखना पड़ता था खाने को और वो मुर्गी को रोस्ट करना पड़ता था. आई एम गिविंग द डम्बेस्ट एग्जांपल्स राइट नाउ, बट यू नो, राइट? लाइक सेल फोन सॉल्व्स अ लॉट ऑफ पेन, गूगल मैप्स सॉल्व्स अ लॉट ऑफ पेन, राइट? यू डोंट हैव टू लुक एट लाइक, यू नो, अनचार्टेड वाला मैप नहीं देखना पड़ता. अब आप फोन पे अपने गूगल मैप खोलो होते, right? But I digress, right? Now that is the decoy offer. Basically, you're giving them something for free, discounted, and then eventually you bring them to your premium offer. Now let's talk about upsells. I'm not gonna go too much into the detail of upsells, but if you want, I can cover a video on upsells, right? But एक upsell है जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, which you can use. One thing I will tell you about upsell: always try to have upsell in your service or in your business, whatever you're running, right? Never just base your business off of just one offer. McDonald's की अगर आप example लो, तो क्या करता है McDonald's, right? The classic lines: "Do you want any fries with that?" Right? वो जो इनकी line है, वो क्यों है वहाँ पर? Because that fries is an upsell, right? एक बर्गर अगर मैकडोनल्ड बेचता है जो बल्गल है, ठीक है, अगर वो $2 का बेच रहा है तो मे बी इनको प्रॉफिट होगा उस पे $0.25 का. अगर वो फ्राइज बेचते हैं तो 0.25 का और प्रॉफिट आ गया. नाउ टोटल प्रॉफिट इज 50 सेंट व्हिच इज 2 times more. नाउ दे आर लाइक, डू यू वांट टू मेक इट अ मील जब आप करते हो तो ठीक है, जो $2 का बर्गर था अभी फ्राइज हो गए $3 के, ठीक है, मील के बाद हो गया ये आई डोंट नो 4.5 का समथिंग, और वो ड्रिंक ऐड करने के बाद आपने $1 पूरा उसके ऊपर और ऐड कर दिया ऑफ योर प्रॉफिट. अब आपका कितना हो गया प्रॉफिट? 1.50 हो गया, राइट? और लेट्स से 1.75 बिकॉज ड्रिंक इज रियली चीप, राइट? सो 1.75 अब आपका हो गया. कितने गुना ज्यादा बढ़ गया आपका? 9 टाइम्स ज्यादा बढ़ गया, ठीक है, ओके. एंड देन उसके बाद डू यू वांट टू डू इट अपसाइज, राइट? सारा कुछ अपसाइज कर दो, मतलब कि जो बर्गर तो अपसाइज नहीं होता, आपके मील और आपके जो फ्राइज, राइट? नाउ आपका प्रॉफिट हो गया $3 का, तो भैया 2.5 से आप शुरू हुए थे, $3 के प्रॉफिट पे पहुंच गए. तो दैट इज द पावर ऑफ upsells. I was just giving you an example that every business needs an upsells. That's why if you go to like Amazon, right? आप buy कर रहे हो तो आप देखते नहीं, आप चेकआउट करने लगते हो तो नीचे similar और चीजें आ जाती हैं. That's an example of an upsell, right? So you can always pitch your clients upsell, especially like अगर आपने एक दो ऑफर अपने दिमाग में सोची है, always present the premium offer first, right? और अगर आप एक अपने क्लाइंट के साथ ऑलरेडी काम कर रहे हो, then in the middle of your ongoing calls, always try to add 3-4 new more features that you have learned and try to give them an upsell in your offer, ठीक है? I mean, they're not gonna like गोली नहीं मार देंगे तुम्हें. If anything, they're just gonna appreciate that you're bringing more towards the table, right? And if they like your work so far, I don't think they will hesitate in your upsell. But if they do hesitate in your upsell, what you can do is downsell them, ठीक है? But let me just cover the upsell method, ठीक है? Which is the anchor upsell, which is a really interesting upsell. So basically, what you're gonna do is, let's say आपके क्लाइंट को आप क्या करो कि आपका क्लाइंट आपके पास आया है, आप उसको ऑफर पिच कर दो कॉल के ऊपर, और ये सिर्फ कॉल के ऊपर हो सकता है, नॉट ऑन डीएम्स, नॉट ऑन एनीथिंग, और टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस, राइट? वरना क्लाइंट सुन के भाग जाएगा, ठीक है? नाउ लेट्स एंकर अपसेल क्या होता है? फॉर एग्जांपल, आप अपने क्लाइंट को सर्विस पिच कर रहे हो अगले 3 महीने की या 2 महीने की वगैरह, एंड यू पिच देम $10,000 एग्जांपल, ठीक है? और आपका क्लाइंट कहता है ठीक है, उसके मतलब बहुत ही शॉक हो जाता है. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna be the one that comes into aid, right? तो तुम व्हाइट क्लाइंट बन के होगे, तुम कहोगे oh my god 10,000, oh I mean you don't want, आप अपनी तरफ से काट देना, ठीक है? 10,000 आपको नहीं, अगर आपको हमारी प्रीमियम चीजें नहीं चाहिए, राइट? द प्रीमियम कस्टमर सर्विस, द 1-on-1 ongoing or 24-hour support, if you don't want that, ठीक है, we'll just cut that and make the price for you 4K. And now what you're doing is your 4K was the real price. That is the real price that you were gonna sell them on, but that's just an anchor offer. So basically what you're doing is आपकी 3 चीजें हैं, A, B and C, right? ये आपको अगर कॉस्ट करी है let's say $10,000 की, so what you're doing is you're cutting out the C and then you're doing A and B, and that is causing $4,000. So just cutting out the C, you're doing $4,000 rather than $10,000. So इससे एक और फायदा क्या होता है? You're not giving them a blatant discount or you're devaluing your product. You're actually cutting down something and you're deliberately telling them we're cutting this premium thing and now we're making it to 4,000. So let's say for some wild, like let's say आगे जाके वो कहते हैं कि हमें प्रीमियम ऑफर चाहिए, you're just gonna upsell them for $6,000. Or the best case scenario is they take the $10,000 first try, right? Because the worst thing you can do is pitch a 4K offer to the client that will give you $10,000. That's the worst thing that can happen to you and you don't want that, okay? So do apply this, it's really fun. And now you'll be like, ये तो बड़ी evil बात है. Really evil बात है? अगर आप business world में आओगे ना, look around you. Everything in the world that you see, well, not everything in the world because not every business is smart, but a lot of businesses that are really successful, multi-million businesses, they do that shit. ठीक है, just so you know. Now upsell की मैंने आपको थोड़ी सी बात कर दी. We can make another video on that, but I want to talk about the downsell. Now downsell क्या है basically कि आप you're not really downselling. ठीक है, for example अगर आपका client है वो कहता है मेरे पास तो अभी इतनी ज़्यादा पेमेंट नहीं है, मैं अगर नहीं कर सकता वगैरह या कुछ भी है, you can do payment plans with them, but only give them the payment plan as a last resort. हम जब भी क्लाइंट को क्लोज कर रहे होते हैं इनर सर्कल के लिए, जब मैं मतलब ये कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स को भी दूसरे क्लोज कर रहा होता था फॉर और लाइक मेटल फैब्रिकेशन कंपनीज पे भी बात कर रहा होता था, बट मेटल फैब्रिकेशन वालों को तो मसला नहीं होता था, दे आर बिग इंडस्ट्रीज, दे कैन पे अपफ्रंट, बट लाइक लेट्स से स्मॉल क्रिएटर्स या इनर सर्कल के लिए हम लोगों को कर रहे होते हैं. So what thing we do is we never offer the payment plan upfront. We just never do that because that's just you never know, because payment plan could be a pain in the ass, like right. For example, पाकिस्तान और इंडिया के अंदर तो ये क्लारना और आफ्टर पे है ही नहीं, राइट. सो अगर ये दोनों चीजें नहीं है या फिर बैंक लोन वाला सीन तो है ही नहीं, तो फिर क्लाइंट्स को आपको बार बार फॉलो अप करना पड़ता है टू गेट द रिमेनिंग पेमेंट, राइट. सो पेमेंट प्लान इज ग्रेट इफ यू आर सपोर्टेड बाय क्लारना और आफ्टर पे, बट अगेन इट्स अ क्लासिक डाउनसेल, राइट. आप क्या कर सकते हो कि आप कह सकते हो कि अच्छा यार अगर तुम नहीं भी दे सकते तो तुम्हारी 3 मंथ की सर्विस है तो उसको पेमेंट को 3 मंथ पे डिवाइड कर दो, या पे हाफ नाउ एंड देन पे बाय द सेकंड मंथ और थर्ड मंथ. इट्स अप टू यू. Or you can do this one thing, right, which we do sometimes is, okay, right, if you don't pay the full upfront, then it's going to be a little more expensive, right, if you do it on payment plan, ठीक है. So अगर आपकी offer है $3,000 की जो कि है upfront, with the payment plan what you can do is it's going to be 1,600 times 2, ठीक है. So they're paying 3,200 in total, right. So this is what you're doing. Now this is not interest, this is not soothe, you're making it clear from the get-go, right, okay, this is going to be charged more, ठीक है. If you pay later, it's going to be, I'm going to be charging you $200 more. It is what it is, right? Because obviously you're going to go through the pain of keeping track if they pay you later or not. And obviously since they're paying you later, you have to pay your team and whatnot, so you have to charge them a little bit more, right? Another downsell you can do is वो decoy offer वाली बात में ही आ जाता है, but it's kind of the same thing, right? आप अपने downsell में features निकाल दो, ठीक है. आपने सारी बात कर ली और आप कह रहे हो अच्छा यार तुम ये वाली प्राइस नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते, what we can do is we can take out the guarantee. हम गारंटी इसमें से निकाल देते हैं, या हम ये वाला प्रीमियम फीचर ये वाली चीजें निकाल देते हैं. नाउ योर ऑफर इज दिस मच. अगेन नाउ इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ एंकर, बट ये एंकर नहीं, आप ये बाद में कर रहे हो डाउन द लाइन, राइट. बट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इज, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर वो 4K वाली ऑफर पे भी आपके कहते हैं, राइट, 10K वाले पे मेरी 4K पे भी, जस्ट सेइंग एन एग्जांपल, राइट, वो कहते हैं ये भी नहीं हम दे सकते, देन यू कैन टेक आउट द गारंटी, राइट. ओके वी आर गोना टेक आउट द गारंटी एंड नाउ व्हेन वी टेक आउट द गारंटी इट्स गोना बी $3,000, राइट, समथिंग अलोंग दोस लाइंस. बट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज don't just say कि अच्छा we're just taking this feature out, नहीं, we're just lowering the value for you, ठीक है. अगर तो आपका क्लाइंट बहुत ही छोटे स्केल पे अगर B2C है, फिर वो डिस्काउंट स्कॉलरशिप्स वगैरह काम कर जाती हैं, and that's fine, your customer might need it and you're doing it out of goodwill and you have some offers going on. But if it's a proper client, right, proper high paying client वगैरह, ठीक है, then yeah, you don't devalue your product, right, you take something out to show them what they're missing on. So let's say if they want to buy it, again your upsell will already be ready, right, which is $1,000 plus if they want to buy the guarantee. So yes, boys and girls, that was about it on the offer that they can't refuse. I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse. मुझे ना अपना वो शादी वाला वो पहन लेना चाहिए था, the full tuxedo, the bow tie and everything, but थोड़ा cringe और corny नहीं हो जाता. But anyways, yeah, boys and girls, that was about it for the whole an offer they can't refuse, and I went balls deep into this as you guys wanted, right. And कल को कोई कंप्लेन करता ना मूसा भाई फ्री स्टफ नहीं होता, इतना फ्री स्टफ ना ये वाला अगर कोई तुम्हें दे रहा है ना मार्केट के अंदर, स्पेशली देसी मार्केट के अंदर, बताना मैं अपने यूट्यूब चैनल डिलीट कर दूंगा आगे, ठीक है. बट या आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट बिकॉज या आई रियली वांट पीपल टू लर्न फ्रॉम इट एज वेल. एंड अगेन इफ दिस इज नॉट इनफ फॉर यू, you want the proper mentoring, you want the proper sequence, the proper guidance to each and everything, then Inner Circle is that spot for you, right. Inner Circle 2.0, and we are also restructuring it and adding a lot of new things, right, a lot of new content, a lot of features that is going to change like the game forever. So yeah, we're working on that as well. We have our coaches as well, and inside live calls, 5 live calls in a week. You get to talk with me, get to discuss your queries with me live in person. Yeah, and there's so much more, the full community access with all of the other members who have closed clients before in certain niches that you might be interested in. So if you want to join Inner Circle, DM me on Instagram, join or circle. And if you're not getting a reply from the Instagram for a long time, that you can reach out to me on my email, musakhan musakhant@gmail.com, and then I will take care from there. ठीक है? So yeah, anyways, that was it, and don't forget to subscribe your boy Musa Khan, and don't forget to refer this video to someone else. ठीक है? अगर आपका कोई दोस्त है या तो कोई बंदा स्ट्रगल कर रहा है ऑफर बनाने में, you can always give them a referral to another person, because it's word of mouth like these that get the right word out there, right? So yeah, I will be really grateful. But I hope you really enjoyed this video. It was a long video, 100 minute की recording, और उससे पीछे भी मैंने recording की थी. But yeah, I really wanted to, you know, बहुत से लोगों की request थी offer, and you have the offer video right here. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like this video, and let me know what other video you would be liking, and let me know how much of a value you got from this. I will see you guys in the next video.
Come here, girl. Go ahead, be gone with it. Come to the back. Go ahead, be gone with it. VIP. Go ahead, be gone with it. Drinks on me. Go ahead, be gone with it. Let me see what you're twerking with. Go ahead.